Strawberry kale salad recipe. Strawberry and kale salad is a delicious and nutritious dish that combines the freshness of strawberries with the earthy flavor of kale. This salad is a perfect combination of sweet and savory, making it a popular choice for those looking for a light yet satisfying meal. So let's explore the ingredients and steps required to make this delightful strawberry and kale salad. To make the strawberry and kale salad, you will need a bunch of fresh kale leaves, ripe strawberries, feta cheese, walnuts, and a tangy dressing. Begin by washing the kale leaves thoroughly and removing any tough stems. It is essential to dry the kale leaves thoroughly to ensure crispness in the salad. Next, prepare the strawberries by washing them and slicing them into bite-sized pieces. Remember, ripe and sweet strawberries are crucial for enhancing the flavor of this salad. Crumble some feta cheese and roughly chop the walnuts, adding a delightful creaminess and crunch to the salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the kale leaves, strawberries, crumbled feta cheese, and chopped walnuts. Toss them gently to distribute the ingredients evenly. The combination of the vibrant green kale leaves, bright red strawberries, and white feta cheese makes this salad visually appealing. Now prepare the tangy dressing that will enhance the flavors of the salad. You can make a simple vinaigrette by whisking together olive oil, lemon juice, honey, salt, and pepper. Adjust the dressing's sweetness or tartness according to your taste preferences. Drizzle the dressing over the kale, strawberries, cheese, and walnuts mixture. Using clean hands, gently massage the dressing into the kale leaves, ensuring that each leaf is coated. This step helps soften the kale leaves and enhances their taste and texture. Allow the salad to marinate for at least 10 minutes before serving, allowing the flavors to meld together. This salad can be served as a standalone meal or as a side dish. The natural sweetness of the strawberries balances perfectly with the slightly bitter kale leaves, creating a harmonious taste. In addition to its delightful taste, the strawberry and kale salad is incredibly healthy. Kale is a superfood packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. Strawberries are a rich source of vitamin C and provide a burst of sweetness to this salad. To conclude, the strawberry and kale salad is a wonderful dish that combines the freshness of strawberries with the earthiness of kale. Its simple preparation makes it an easy choice for a quick and healthy meal. Whether you are a fan of salads or looking to incorporate more greens into your diet, this salad is a fantastic option that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. I hope this strawberry salad recipe was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more information on kale, kale recipes, kale diets, and healthy eating with kale, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's start our day the kale healthy way.